guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome. This is a weekly vlog. My name is Tierra. You can go ahead and call your girl T. I was just about to start cooking and this can absolutely go bad, so I was like, let me just vlog it. So yeah, I'm trying to make I've actually had a busy day today. I went shopping as well. I guess I can just like show y'all some of those things, but I want to make lamb chops for the first time, and I don't know, I feel like it can't go bad, but it could. Yeah, so I'm doing some like cleaning slash cooking slash I still have to work out. It's 6 o'clock. It is currently, what time is it? What's today? Today is Thursday, November 5th. We still don't have a president yet. We waiting. Y'all, what did T.I. say? I want Joe Biden. Need Joe Biden. It's been entertaining. I'm trying to do like just like, you know, comedic relief for the stress, you know. No reason to go to cardiac arrest, but yeah, I'm trying to cook. I'm trying to stay on the skinny. My birthday is in 14 days, exactly 2 weeks, and I'm trying to look cute or whatever. So yeah, let's go ahead and start that, and hopefully I do enough this week to keep you guys entertained, because what do I be doing? Nothing.
I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down, and I'll never let you down, let you down. Take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, let you feel as if we're hanging by a thread, and the words you said is spinning in my head. I just wanna pull you closer in this bed, take me back into your arms, and I'll never let you down, let you down.
Okay guys, so this looks burnt, but it's really not. It's really not. Guys, so my food is like a success. So the reason why I wanted to try lamb is because when I was in Houston, I got some like lamb chop sticks. They were like on sticks, and it looks like this. Like it was like nice and brown. I didn't want it to be super done, you know. Let me see, people. You gonna focus? Like there's still a little pink in here. I know typical black people like their food well done, but I'm not one of them. Like I need my stuff to be just in between, medium well. My food here, I'm watching Kennedy Simone. Yeah, I don't know if you guys know about like working out, but like the competitions, but I didn't work out the past 2 days because my period was beating my ass, bro. My cramps were so bad, like so bad that I just like could not work out. So yeah, I'm gonna work out tonight. I've been super busy all day today. I deep cleaned the fridge, like took the drawers out, like this all need clean, washed. Please look at my nails. That's a different story for a different day, but these things been popping off. Like I got on press-ons. I'm pissed. I asked them to put me in for an earlier appointment, confirmed the time via text message, showed up, and they was closed. So I guess my appointment is gonna be this Saturday. I've been gluing them back on like a crackhead. So mad. Yeah, for my first time making this, like I think I did well. I'm sure there's better ways to do this. Don't come for me. Y'all know I'm ghetto. I'll be like, any corner I can skip, I'm like, they're like, you supposed to marinate this food. I'm like, I ain't wrong. I'm trying to figure out why my boyfriend ain't texting me back yet. He on my damn nerves. Oh, child. Like, what is he doing? He's like, oh, I was working out. Not gonna hold y'all. I just ate 2 of the lamb chops, and I just needed some mashed potatoes or something because I'm still hungry, but I'm just trying to stay like, I'm just staying like low on carbs. So yeah, I just finished, what is that? I just finished working out. I burned so many calories. I burned almost 1,000 calories. I mean, over the course of the day. But I just wanted to show you guys before I took a shower and went to bed, because it's now 12:46 a.m. Just the things that I got from the store. I'm doing like the headband wig video. Everybody been doing them, and I seen them mad early before everyone did them, and I'm like, I don't like that, and now I'm pissed. But oh, I also have to like make a wig. So this hair is actually for a wig. I'm only using 2 bundles, but I have a frontal and an additional bundle, so I'm trying to make a wig, but I haven't done it yet. So yeah, I got an extra wig cap, mesh cap to braid it. I got a hard and soft brush because if you've seen my Tulum Get Ready With Me video, I didn't have one, and then I came back home and I can't find one. So yeah, got some hoops, period, can never have enough hoops. And then I got some lashes. I'm obsessed with this brand of lashes. This is, I hope I say this right, Yerama's, I think it's Yerama's, but Yerma Sisters Mink Lashes. It's definitely one of the best black owned salons in Pittsburgh, so it's everyday pair for me. They're still pretty dramatic, but they are everyday-ish wear for me, so I really like these ones. These are my more dramatic ones. Like, oh my gosh, they're so fluffy. They're my favorite lashes. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Amazing. And these ones here, I love these ones too for like a cute like little like rhinestone look. They're just bomb. Anyways, I specifically went there to pick up lashes and to pick up pierce like my jewelry for my ears. They always fall out. My face is broke the F out because I'm on my period, which I almost vomited while working out because my period be blowing me. But yeah, I went there first and then I went to Sephora, and right now Sephora's having a VIP sale for 15% off plus their holiday sale till the 9th, so I'm gonna run it up a little bit more online. But I went there specifically to get a brow pencil from Benefit. I always get this. This is like the only thing I like to use. When I went to Tulum, when I was in Tulum, I just had bought one and somehow the entire piece of pencil fell out and I was just twisting and it was just gone. So what color do I always get? I get 5. It's warm black brown. So yeah. And then I wanted to get a new bronzer. I got the Tantour from Huda Beauty Tantour Contour and Bronze Creamer. And I got it in the color medium. But I wanted to get a darker bronzer because I got really dark in Mexico. But like, no matter what, my face just never gets as dark as I need it to get. It just be mad light. I ain't have no makeup on. This is the color. Super cute. I'm like literally so dark. I'm sorry guys. I'm just not about to go get my ring light. So cute. And the last thing I got was like super random, but I just picked it up because I was like, let me try it. I don't know, my Fenty powder has just been extra dry for me these days. So I went ahead and picked up the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I got in the shade Honey, which is like their newer shade. So we'll see what it's hitting for. If I don't like it, I'll just, you know, return it. But this is the color. It's in Honey, so I think it'll do me well. We'll see. It is a translucent powder, so I should be able to kind of like set my whole face. And then I'm thinking to set the cream bronzer, I'll use my Coco Minati from Fenty because it is no longer dark enough. Oh, and for my birthday, since my birthday month, they gave me all of these like little milk products. So there's like the mascara, a mini lip, and then a Hydro Grip Primer sample. So cute. But yeah, let me see, how much money did I save? Because you know they be getting me with the sales. Wait. That's for the... Let's see. I saved $13. They be killing me. 15% off though, 15% off. Hey guys, I am about to get the boys' haircut. Well, I'm going with their dad, but we're about to pack them up to go. So it should be interesting. I'm about to cry. So sad. But yeah, we're gonna go to the barber shop now. I figure I should vlog the whole thing, okay? It's really nice out. It's super warm. It's unseasonably warm in Pittsburgh because Biden won. That's what I'm gonna say. But yeah, let's get to it. Say hi. Boy, don't let go of his arm. You need to. Hi, baby. Can we have it? Oh, you want it in the front? There you go. Hi, man. Oh my God, this battery's about to die too. That sucks. It's okay. I'll use my phone. Uh-oh. Stay here. It's okay. You okay? You're so cute. Eli!
You want to get a haircut?
Are you hold on? Tell me okay?
Look, see now there with you, bro. Everything good. Big boy time. Big boy moment, brother.
You're a big boy. Nap time too, so you're real chill. Oh, it's okay. Like, what the heck?
Hey, my big boy. So cute.
That's what they said they'll do. They said if there's any trespassers in the White House on January 20th, they'll remove them. Biden's team said that. He was like, I want fair and square.
Hi, man. I'm listening to see your grandma. It's okay.
Uh-oh. This is a chiller baby. He's not freaking out. Yeah, I think he's with his dad.
Don't put that disease control shit back in plan on that Obama had. But that shit, man, that shit shut down. That shit shut down Ebola. That man Obama don't have that thing under control, man. But Trump wanted to disband everything Obama did.
You're doing so well, Zay Zay. Yeah, it's your hair. It's okay. Stay here. It's okay. All good. Stay there. Yeah, good job. Send it to my mom.
She put you on the camera, bro.
Hey, man.
You look sleepy. You're very relaxed. I didn't think you looked. Oh.
That's what you put me on camera. I was over here chilling.
I'm sorry. I'll get out the way. It's your cute little. Your cute little kid.
Tell it again. I heard you tell it.
Yeah, I'm sick of it. How much are you getting cut off? Less than that, right? Well, he's doing the round part first. I like his ponytail. Look at Zay over there being real cute. His is gonna be so cute. You're trying to come here without me.
I didn't say that.
You're like, oh, you're gonna come
I didn't. I just wasn't expecting
to their first. Say hi to Gigi. You gonna say hi to Grandma? Say hi, Gigi. Oh, it's okay. It's so good. You are Eli. Eli's my baby.
That's so true though. Like you're saying, you can shoot like this, shoot like a basketball. You whip out a three, you dive out a three. You whip out a long film. It's crazy. Same reason you play five on that.
You're looking so handsome.
Like that, bro.
So hold, yeah, I was just saying hold both one arm. Hi E, you being difficult? Here's it, let me give you a bye-bye. Good boy. Yeah, dang. Sorry. This is straight drama.
I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me a reason. I've been trying not to go off the deep end. I don't think you wanna give me
You better go finish.
Give me a smile, please.
Yeah, you did good. You did okay. Why are you always crying, little boy? What? Eli.